Well, Jay, I have to ask you this first day that I said you were coming up. This week before I knew that these guys were coming. People are really buying into this, that you are some sort of Illuminati, devil worshipping, Freemason something.
Man,
What are you up to that I wasn't aware of?
I don't know. I don't know where it came from. I don't know where it started, but
Well, there's all these images in videos that people are saying are deliberate. And my question to you is, are you messing with people and doing this on purpose?
No, not me. No, never done that before.
Jay-Z, H to the Izzo, V to the Izzy, Jehovah God. That's what he calls himself. He believes that he is God. I have a hard time shopping for clothes now, Brother Dwayne. I mean, I just get depressed almost. I go into Burlington or something, man, and I don't have Herman Murray money, so I can't be, I can't wear gaiters every day. So, I go to the regular department store, and every section is hip-hop clothing. Rockaware.
I was an FBI agent for 27.5 years. At the time of my retirement, I was the senior special agent in charge of the FBI Los Angeles Division. I have been qualified in the courts as an expert on cults and satanic ritual abuse. I have information from various sources that judges, law enforcement, prosecutors, attorneys, doctors, and many prominent individuals, including actors, actresses, professional football and baseball players, are involved in these type of activities.
This is Jay-Z, and he had an album called The Black Album, and of course these guys release songs, underground, and they do this kind of stuff, and we just happen to come across a very disturbing song by Brother Jay-Z. It's a song that he actually recorded and has a backwards message in it, and we had to reverse the song and play the song backwards to get this message for you. Y'all remember back when the heavy metal folks used to do that? And they would put the backwards messages in their music, and they'd say that your subconscious was smart enough, that right brain was smart enough to decode and flip that message, so by the time it got to the left side of your brain, you understood it, and you didn't even know you understood it. You just acted it out. Because they had the song called Another One Bites the Dust, Queen. Played it backwards and said, I like to smoke marijuana. Yeah, and then they interviewed kids, and kids say when they listen to it, they just want to get high. They just want to smoke weed, and they had no idea that that message was being reversed in their minds and causing them to want to do that. Isn't that weird? God made us smart. Look at somebody say, you smart? So I don't care what they say about you. This brother has a very disturbing message in this song. I'm going to let y'all hear it. Can I let y'all hear it? Y'all listen.
666. Jesus.
666, murder, murder, Jesus. This made you feel kind of funny, didn't it? It's unbelievable.